Hey there, future homeowners. Are you ready to take the first big step towards owning your dream house? Saving for a down payment can seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're sharing 21 effective tips to help you save for that down payment faster than you ever thought possible. Let's dive in. Are you dreaming of owning your own home but struggling to save for a down payment? In this video, we share 21 practical and actionable tips that can help you boost your savings and get you closer to your goal of homeownership. From budgeting and cutting expenses to increasing your income and making smart financial choices, these strategies will guide you on your path to buying your first home. Don't miss out on these valuable tips that could make your dream of homeownership a reality. How much time is needed to save for a down payment? In the United States, the median cost of a newly constructed home was $420,800 as of the first quarter of 2024. Home prices differ by region as follows: $785,300 in the Northeast, Midwest $375,800, $376,500 in the South, West $548,400. You shouldn't assume you'll need to save $100,000 or more for your down payment, even if you live in a high-cost area. A National Association of Realtors NAR survey states that most first-time homebuyers will make a down payment of between 6% and 7%. Realtors National Association. Down payment misperceptions persist. Closing charges add up to an additional 3% to 6% of the buying price of the home. Let's say, for simplicity's sake, that you will require roughly $40,000 for your home's down payment and closing charges. Depending on your savings rate, these are some estimated times for when it might happen. Time to save up a down payment. Savings rate years to reach $40,000. $1,000 month, 3.33 40 months. $1 500 month, 2.22 years, 26.67 months. $2 $0,000 month, 1.67 years, 20 months. $2 500 month, 1.33 years, 16 months. $3 $0,000 month, 1.11 years, 13.33 months. $3 500 month, 0.95 years, 11.43 months. There's a compelling argument for putting down more money if at all possible. Even though many people can purchase a home sooner rather than later with a smaller down payment, it is ideal to have a down payment of at least 20% of the potential purchase price saved. But there are programs and other options available to buy a house with a smaller down payment, starting from 3.5%, he states. Remember that you are often going to be required to maintain private mortgage insurance (PMI) and pay a mortgage insurance premium for lower down payments, continues Dr. Kaikian. Therefore, if you make a smaller down payment, your possible monthly housing expense usually is higher. Regardless of the amount of down payment you decide to use, you will still require a sizable sum of money to get to the closing table. Saving so much money in a short amount of time can seem unachievable, but with the right approach, it is attainable. Here are 21 effective tips to save for a down payment on a house. Tip 1. Create a dedicated savings account. First things first, open a dedicated savings account for your down payment. This helps you keep your savings separate and track your progress easily. Plus, you might even find accounts that offer higher interest rates specifically for savings goals. Tip 2. Set a realistic savings goal. Set a clear, realistic savings goal based on the price range of the homes you're interested in. Knowing exactly how much you need will keep you motivated and focused. Tip 3. Create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is crucial. List your monthly income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Stick to your budget to maximize your savings. Tip 4. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your dedicated savings account. This way, you won't be tempted to spend the money elsewhere. Tip 5. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Small changes add up. Cut down on unnecessary expenses like dining out or that daily coffee shop visit. Instead, prepare meals at home and brew your own coffee. Tip 6. Take advantage of cashback and rewards. Use cashback and rewards credit cards for your everyday purchases. Just make sure to pay off the balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. Tip 7. Downsize your current living situation. Consider downsizing your current living situation to save on rent or mortgage payments. Moving to a smaller place or getting a roommate can significantly boost your savings. Tip 8: Sell unwanted items. Declutter your home and sell items you no longer need. You'd be surprised how much extra cash you can make from selling things you no longer use. Tip 9: Increase your income. Look for ways to increase your income. This could be through freelance work, a side hustle, or asking for a raise at your current job. Tip 10: Save windfalls and bonuses. Whenever you receive unexpected money like tax refunds, bonuses, or gifts, save it. Treat these windfalls as extra contributions towards your down payment. Tip 11: Cut down on subscriptions. Evaluate your subscription services and cancel the ones you don't use frequently. This can free up more money for your down payment fund. Tip 12: Shop smart and use coupons. Be a savvy shopper. Use coupons, take advantage of sales, and compare prices to save on groceries and other essentials. Tip 13: Reduce utility bills. Lower your utility bills by being energy efficient. Simple actions like turning off lights, unplugging electronics, and reducing heating and cooling costs can make a big difference. Tip 14: Limit entertainment expenses. Opt for low cost or free entertainment options like hiking, visiting museums on free days, or having a movie night at home instead of going out. Tip 15: Avoid big purchases. Hold off on making big purchases until after you've bought your house. This includes things like a new car, expensive gadgets, or luxury items. Tip 16: Use financial apps. Financial apps can help you track your spending, budget, and save more effectively. Some even offer personalized tips and insights to boost your savings. Tip 17: Take advantage of employer benefits. Check if your employer offers benefits like a savings match program or financial planning resources. These can help accelerate your savings. Tip 18: Stay motivated with visual goals. Keep your motivation high by creating visual reminders of your goal. A vision board with pictures of your dream home can keep you focused and inspired. Tip 19: Avoid impulse purchases. Resist the urge to make impulse purchases. Give yourself a cooling off period before buying non essential items to ensure you really need them. Tip 20: Get financial advice. Consider seeking advice from a financial advisor. They can provide personalized strategies to help you save more effectively and reach your goal faster. Tip 21: Stay consistent and patient. Saving for a down payment takes time and discipline. Stay consistent with your efforts and be patient. Every little bit you save brings you closer to owning your dream home. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you on your journey to homeownership. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Remember, your dream home is within reach, one step at a time. See you next time.